Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we are standing on board Boston Whalers, quite literally brand new, freshly introduced 210 Vantage. This is the entry to the Vantage line and frankly, going to be an incredible step for a ton of families to join Boston Whalers families. So let's do like we always do and start at the rear of this boat. This one is optioned with Mercury's 250 horsepower V8. It's flanked by a very wide swim platform and a ladder, a four-step ladder tucked under that side. You'll see them folded down as a tip of the hat to fishermen or access, but these seats in the back you can see are very deep, very comfortable for children, cup holders, and these boats do have an option from the factory for a ski pole here, which you very well may want. This flip seat here on the port side is wonderful. Gives you not only fantastic storage underneath, but this lifts up, folds all the way down against this, gives you a massive lounge out pad for anybody in the family that wants to make use of it. And of course, those bolsters are laying up against the head here. That is incredibly spacious. You can absolutely get the entire family, anyone who needs to use that, in there, and the table and the table legs store in there as well. The helm is a great place to spend the day. You can option a VHF, large 12-inch Simrad screen, even JL audio, trim tabs, tons more. And I can't hesitate and not mention that great digital control from Mercury. This boat's got boosted power steering. It is a very, very pleasant place to hang out. The bow of this boat also is substantial. Now I'm bumping up against this awesome filler cushion. That just turns this area into a playpen. If you want to hang out in the sun, enjoy your stereo, or just relax in the front of this boat, it is a great, great place to spend the day. Guys, I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. This is our brand new Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. Talk to you soon.